Pure Physical Therapy family? Dr. Frank Garza here, and just kind of want to catch you up to speed on what we're doing here as a clinic to ensure your safety, our safety, and the safety of our staff. So as you know, this virus is out there and it's an epidemic, and it's affecting a lot of people. However, you know, if we do our due diligence and we do our part, you know, we can still be somewhat functional and provide our services to you that you greatly need. You know, especially if you're post-op, or you know, if you're in a lot of pain, maybe you were just in an accident. You know, you can't afford to not be getting physical therapy because it will hinder your recovery later. So, if you're in pain and you need to come see us, rest assured that our facility is spanking clean. We have stepped up our game in cleaning like no other. We are doing all kinds of different things to ensure your safety, our safety, and the safety of our staff. So, for example, when you first walk into our clinic, we are screening patients for any of the symptoms. So that is, you know, fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Someone at the front desk will be taking your temperature and making sure that you fall within the guidelines to walk into our gym and get treated by one of our physical therapists. That's number one. If you are having some of the symptoms, or if you've traveled to an area where we've had positive effects of COVID-19, or if you've come in contact with somebody that has tested positive, we will go through the guidelines of calling our local health department and getting guidance and referring you to them to get further testing or what have you. If we call you on the phone and you're sick, we're going to tell you to stay home. Other things we're doing is in the gym, you know, we're constantly wiping down our equipment with disinfectant, and we're constantly cleaning tables, and we have plenty of sanitizer at every station for our hands and yours to ensure that, you know, you don't have any germs, and that you're, you know, decreasing your contact with surfaces or dirty surfaces, for that is, by cleaning them all down. Okay, the other thing we're doing is we're compacting our schedule to one-on-one treatments. We've spaced out our tables to meet the requirements of 6 feet of social distancing, and you know, we've only allowed the max number of 10 people on our schedule. So once again, Pure Physical Therapy is doing all that we can and more to meet the guidelines and to ensure your safety, our safety, and the safety of our staff, so that you can still get the therapy that you need and the one that you desperately need to be able to recover from any, you know, nagging injury or a surgery. So if you have any questions, go ahead and you know, comment below, or you can email us or call our office at 956-994-8880, and rest assured that we got your back. Stay pure.